Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get an employer identification number for your limited liability company. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number the Internal Revenue Service assigns to business entities for identification. It is essential for various business activities, including filing taxes, opening a business bank account, and hiring your first employees. We will guide you through each necessary step, ensuring your LLC is properly set up for all financial and legal operations. Before applying, confirm you are eligible, meaning you are a responsible party for the LLC. You will need your personal Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number ready. Additionally, prepare your LLC's legal name, its mailing address, and the date it was established. Knowing the primary reason you need an EIN, such as starting a new business or hiring employees, will also be helpful for the application. The quickest and most recommended way to get your EIN is by applying online through the Internal Revenue Service website. This service is typically available for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but the application is processed during their normal business hours, usually Monday through Friday. Carefully follow the prompts, providing all requested information accurately. You will receive your EIN instantly upon successful completion. While online is fastest, you can also apply by faxing a completed Form SS4 to the Internal Revenue Service. Expect to receive your EIN back by fax within 4 business days. Mailing the form is another option, though it can take several weeks, typically 4 to 6 weeks, for your EIN to arrive. International applicants, those without a Social Security number, may also apply by telephone during specific hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.